And everybody, y'all know who this is. Zeke again in the kitchen. I'm doing something different today. I call it an experiment if I never did it before. But these are chicken Alfredo roll-ups. So trying something different today. I had some chicken that I roasted, and I had some lasagna noodles, and had everything for a homemade Alfredo sauce, which is right here. That's my Alfredo sauce. Hope I got it in there. It's my Alfredo sauce right there. So there we go. I didn't roll them. I got some Alfredo sauce at the bottom so they won't stick. I got the lasagna noodles wrapped with chicken, and I put a little chicken on top. And I'm going to top it with the Alfredo sauce and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And we're going to see what they look like afterwards. Try something new. Hope it's good. All right, see y'all in a little while. Okay, got them all covered with the Alfredo sauce. Gonna put foil paper on them and let them bake for 350. Now we're going to see what the end result is. All right. There we go. Just got them up the oven. They've been in for 30 minutes. Put this foil paper over here. There they go. Let me, they're hot. There we go. Let me put some more sauce on them. And now it's time to chop. It's time to top these babies with some cheese and put them back in the oven for a few minutes so the cheese will melt on top. So, trying something new. I'm always trying something new. You get tired of the same old stuff. So you okay. Put that there. Okay, that's it right there. Now, I got my cheese over here. I'm going to sprinkle each top with some cheese. Let me do it this one first. My hand all over the stuff, but I'm the only one eating them anyway. There we go. Put some cheese on top. So you see, I'm going to put some cheese on top. Then I'm going to put it back in the oven. Alright. Let me put the cheese on. Got the cheese on them. Can y'all see that? Got the cheese on them. Alright. Time to put them in the oven. That's it, y'all. They're out of the oven. How do they look? Ooh. There we go. Chicken Alfredo rolls. A little extra cheese on top. And y'all not going to see me do a taste test tonight because I'm not hungry yet. But there we go. I know they taste good. I might do a taste test. I'll see. I might give y'all a reaction. There we go. This pan is hot. Get my mitten. That girl singing on The Voice. Sing, Miss Kimberly Joy. There we go, y'all. Okay, let me get one out the pan. I guess I'll do a taste test review. This is my first time making these. And I got it all. I just got my camera. Let me tell you, while I'm recording this, sometimes I really don't know where my camera is. I know where the camera is, but I don't know if it... I guess I do well by myself. Alright. There you go. In the salsa, I'm about to do a taste test. Now, I don't know how to eat this. I don't know how to... I don't know how to cut this. So I'm gonna take the toothpicks out. We're gonna do this together. Oh, y'all get to see my big beard. Okay, here we go. Wow, look my beard. Look my big beard. It's still a little wet because I hadn't too long ago washed it. So it's drying. I'm in the camera. I better be in the camera. All right. Let's see. Made me a little tea. All right, let's see here. Where did I put the toothpicks? Okay, There go toothpick number 1. Toothpick number 2. So, all right. Took the 2 toothpicks out. Now, shit, how do you eat this with a beard? I don't want this white stuff to get in my beard. Let's see. All right, got my hands about to get nasty here. Let's see what this tastes like. All right. A chicken Alfredo roll up. Let's see here. Tastes good, y'all. Hold up. This has to get a monkey on ball. Hold up now. Oh. This tastes good. You just take the fork and you just eat it. You're getting sauce, you're getting chicken, and you're getting some of this lasagna noodle. This is good. All right. I done mastered something new. Check y'all later. Bye. Ooh, there's hair everywhere, y'all. There's hair. My Christmas beard. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.